Okay, so I was thinking about vlogging, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna say my hair's a mess, don't mind it. And I was like, wait, I have said that like almost every single day this week. Like, oh my gosh. So I guess that's just like our thing. Our hair is always a mess, and if it's not, then maybe that's just like once or twice a week, you know. But I'm about to edit my birthday list, and Candace said to send an updated list with the 2 things that have been bought exited off. And that works because those 2 things I still have links on my YouTube wish list. Oh wait, I can take them off of that too. How sweet. I'm going to keep them on the wish list so I just have the links and stuff. But I'm going to take them off here and then it's in an updated list. You can't even see that. 2 people that have not said anything back or said that I just want to send money. I'm not going to send it to them. The others. So, yeah. Hey guys, what's up? So, hi. As you can see, I don't look very good. Me and Tanner worked for my grandma, and then my dad was going to the gym at lunch, and I wanted to go. And all they're doing left is just getting mulch and laying it, so I'm not missing out on much. I'm still getting paid for an hour, so, because I did an hour, it was worth of work. Back now I put on some pants. I had on shorts, and it's terrible. Like, they're so, like, stuck to my skin because my skin is all, like, clammy, you know, from being outside because it's very hot outside. So it feels absolutely terrible. It's very annoying that I just needed to change. But yeah. About to go to the gym. I look like absolute crap. I almost said crap. I'm charging my headphones. They're about to die. And I forgot to charge them. And then I was like, oh crap, they're gonna die on me while I'm at the gym. So, luckily, even when you charge them just like a little bit, they still, work. So. Hey guys, so I'm about to go upstairs and clean that up. And then whenever I'm finished with that, I'll come back down here, take a frickin' shower. I don't have a whole lot of time because I have to start making my food. I like to at least like get in the kitchen around 4:30. So it's actually 3:01 right now. So I have to clean that and take a shower and be finished with my shower by 4:30. So yes. I don't really know what upstairs looks like. I don't know if it's messy, really messy or not. So, we'll see. But yeah. Hey guys, what's up? So, just did finished the upstairs cleaning, and then I just did some stuff down here. I mean, there wasn't a lot, but I had clothes on the floor, so I needed to move that. I mean, no one's gonna come into my room, but that's okay. Someone's coming over tonight, by the way. That's why I clean the upstairs. One of Tanner's friends. And so, yes. I need to take a shower now. I'm sweaty again, so like even more of a reason. And yeah, I'm also, again, sorry for the hair. Always need to mention it. Always need to mention it. I slept in my hair, and then it didn't like fall out while I was sleeping, and then I just went to my grandma's, and then I went to the gym, and then yeah. But time for me to clean myself. Ooh. I'm going to take a shower in my dad's room because all my stuff's in there, and I like taking showers in there, and then no one's here, so I mean it's perfect. But we have a little change of plans. So first off, I don't have to make my food tonight. Since Tanner's friend is coming over, we're getting pizza, and so I'm going to eat later, so then I can eat, that means I'm eating breakfast later. It's gonna be a little harder, but that's okay. I can't live without breakfast. But So my grandma's coming over to use her sewing machine because hers isn't working, and she's making Harper some shorts, some pants into shorts, because it's summer, hello. So I'm going to hold off on my shower a little bit longer, just until like she gets here and stuff, and then I'll see if I'm good to go. Hey guys, so what's up? So as you can see, I've taken a shower and I put on a decent outfit. So I have on this new shirt from Forever 21, if you guys saw my haul, and then I have on this pair of jean shorts that are from Maurice's, and I actually don't like these jean shorts because if you can tell, they just go in and they look very weird, like I don't know. And then also from the back, it's like a weird, it actually does not look weird on camera, whatever, but like I like that this shirt like just kind of covers that, and I think it makes them look way better. Hey guys, what's up? So Tanner's taking his friend home right and now and I was just laughing because I was just in like a laughing, I was in a funny mood, I was in a good mood. Okay, so we're gonna go to bed. We'll see you guys in the next one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can leave a little puppy love on it by liking and commenting and subscribing if you're not already. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, bye.